It's often said that the God of the Old Testament is a God of wrath and justice, whereas the God of the New Testament, proclaimed by Jesus of Nazareth, is a loving and forgiving God. I think that that is a false dichotomy, and that the decisive proof that the God of the New Testament is the God of the Old Testament is the attitude and teaching of Jesus himself. Who was the God of Jesus of Nazareth, whom he called his heavenly Father? Well, it was the God of the Old Testament. It was the God of the Hebrew Bible that Jesus worshiped and called his heavenly Father and proclaimed to his disciples. So if Jesus didn't regard these as two different concepts of deity, I don't think we should either.